Every year, organizations fund ambitious strategies and portfolios, only to realize too late that they don't have the people, skills, and time to actually deliver them. The truth? Strategy without resource capacity planning is just hope. According to Gartner, only 15% of companies have a mature workforce planning in place. And the PMI tells us that 44% of strategic initiatives fail due to resource constraints. That's why modern enterprises are rethinking strategic portfolio management. Traditional tools start with the budget. What can we fund? Unfortunately, no amount of money moves the needle without the right people in the right roles. And with data scattered across spreadsheets, project trackers, and finance tools, leaders are left guessing whether portfolios are actually achievable. A modern SPM solution must do more. Here's what to look for. Resource capacity at its core. Your SPM solution should be able to answer, do we have the people in the right roles to deliver this strategy? That means real-time visibility into roles, forecasting shortages before they derail execution, and running what-if scenarios to test trade-offs. Strategic balance and fit scores. Not all projects carry the same weight. The right solution will tell you whether your portfolio is balanced and truly aligned to your strategic objectives. In fact, projects that are aligned to strategy are 57% more likely to deliver business value, according to the PMI. Track targets at every level. Budgets track dollars, and portfolios should track progress towards goals. Modern SPM tools let you measure contribution and impact with live data instead of static reports. Intuitive portfolio flow. Executives need the big picture, and PMOs need the details. Great platforms simplify complexity, making strategy execution visible at every level. At the end of the day, the difference between strategy on paper and strategy delivered is people. So when you're evaluating your next platform, make sure it helps you build executable strategies, not just a wish list.